चलो, गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स. So now we are to start with sums. Open page number 157. कॉर्पोरेट अकाउंट की आपकी जो बुक है उसमें 157 पेज ओपन करो. रीड योर वर्क सम. See, sum balance is from the balance sheet of Moon Limited RS under. So first we are given 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 50 per share and rupees 40 per share is paid. देखिए 1 lakh शेयर्स जिसकी बेस वैल्यू है 50 एंड 40 पर शेयर इज पेड अमाउंट. इट मींस पर शेयर अनपेड अमाउंट इज रुपीस 10. सो 10 लाख रुपीस का फाइनल कॉल आउटस्टैंडिंग है. उसके बाद में हमें दिया है जनरल रिजर्व. अमाउंट ऑफ जनरल रिजर्व इज गिवन टू अस 11 लाख रुपीस. Then premium. Amount of premium is given to us 50,000. And then capital reserve is given to us 7 lakh rupees. Right? So ये final call की amount है जो कि outstanding है. We need to call up this amount from the shareholders. And remaining 3 are reserves. Now with the instructions, the company decided to capitalize general reserve to pay partly paid up shares. देखिए ये जो 1 lakh partly paid up shares है उसको fully pay करने के लिए बोनस डिक्लेयर करना है and it is to be declared from the general reserve. Clear instruction is given to us. तो अभी प्रीवियस सेशन में हमने देखा कि there are 3 journal entries to be passed for making partly paid up shares as fully paid up. So now draw out the format of journal. Give heading Journal of Moon Limited. और उसका फॉर्मेट ड्रॉ कर लो. तो डेट इज नॉट गिवन टू अस बट फॉर्मेट में तो डेट का कॉलम देना ही देना है. इसके बाद में आएगा पर्टिकुलर्स. आफ्टर पर्टिकुलर्स वी विल हैव LF लेजर फोलियो. Then debit. And then credit. So this is the format to be drawn here. Now partly paid up shares को fully pay करना है from the general reserve. 3 journal entries are required to be given. See, first of all, final call की जो amount है 10 lakh rupees it is to be called up first. Journal entry will be equity share final call account debit to equity share capital credit. Write down first journal. Date is not given, so you write here sequence number, serial number. Write down equity share final call account debit 10 lakh rupees to equity share capital account credit 10 lakh rupees. Okay, write down narration. I am narrating it. Do write narration. D rupees 10 final call is hold up on 1 lakh shares. Clear? Okay. Now second journal. So now see, second journal entry is to be given to provide the necessary amount. See, here we are clearly instructed that this bonus share is to be given from this general reserve. It means that necessary amount is to be provided from general reserve. तो जनरल रिजर्व में से अमाउंट प्रोवाइड करनी है, तो सेकंड एंट्री होगी जनरल रिजर्व अकाउंट डेबिट 10 लाख रुपीस to bonus to shareholders account credit to bonus to shareholders account credit 10 lakh rupees. Write down narration B. B. Necessary amount is provided from general reserve to provide for the bonus. Okay, now third entry. Now see, these two accounts are purely a temporary account. Equity share final call account and bonus to shareholders, these two are temporary account. It should be closed at the end of procedure of bonus. तो ये दोनों अकाउंट्स को हमें क्लोज करना है, तो क्लोज करने के लिए एंट्री क्या देनी है? बोनस टू शेयर होल्डर्स डेबिट टू इक्विटी शेयर फाइनल कॉल अकाउंट क्रेडिट. क्लियर? राइट इट डाउन. बोनस टू shareholders account debit 10 lakh rupees to equity share final call account credit 10 lakh rupees. Okay, now write down narration B. Bonus is declared to make partly paid up shares fully paid up. तो ये हमारा फर्स्ट एडजस्टमेंट ओवर हुआ. पार्टली पेड अप शेयर्स को हमने फुली पेड कर दिया. बोनस इज ऑलरेडी गिवन. नाउ रीड योर सेकंड एडजस्टमेंट पढ़ो. See here given that each share of rupees 50 at 25% premium. Now see 50 rupees का शेयर to be issued at 25% premium. 25% premium. 50 का 25% means 12.5. So issue price will be 62.5. और now see from premium and capital reserve. प्रीमियम और कैपिटल रिजर्व में से देना है. सी प्रीमियम और कैपिटल रिजर्व दोनों की कंबाइंड अमाउंट हमारे पास कितनी है? 7,50,000. 7,50,000 में से हमें बोनस से कितने पे देना है? 62.5 lakh. तो नाउ वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ बोनस शेयर्स. Okay, now see how to find out the number of bonus shares. So number of bonus shares equals to amount of bonus divided by issue price per share. So amount of bonus divided by issue price per share. So see, we have 7,50,000 rupees available amount. Premium plus capital reserve, that is 7,50,000 divided by issue price. Issue price is 62.5 divided. Use your calci. Calci use करो, you will get 12,000 shares. तो 12,000 shares बोनस देने हैं. अभी फुली पेड अप बोनस शेयर देने के लिए क्या होगा? 2 journal entries are to be passed, right? And we need to utilize premium and capital reserve because clear instruction is given to us. So write down for journal entry. Do write security premium account debit 50,000. Then capital reserve account debit 7 lakh. 2 bonus to shareholders account credit 7,50,000. Right? Come on, write down narration. Narration report. Necessary amount is provided from security premium and capital reserve to declare bonus shares. Okay. Now bonus to shareholders account is a temporary account. ये हमारा कौन सा account है? Temporary account. All the temporary accounts must be closed after the procedure is over. तो बोनस टू शेयरहोल्डर्स अकाउंट हमें क्लोज करना है. लास्ट जर्नल एंट्री विल बी बोनस टू शेयरहोल्डर्स अकाउंट डेबिट 7,50,000. And now see, we are issuing 12,000 shares. The face value of which is 50. तो शेयर कैपिटल में कौन सी अमाउंट जाएगी? फेस वैल्यू की अमाउंट. That is 12,000 into 50. 12,000 into 50 means 6 lakh rupees. तो ट्रांसफर करो इसमें से टू इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट. $6 lakh. और अभी 12,000 into 12.5 is the amount of premium. 12,000 into 12.5 means you will get 1,50,000. So 1,50,000 is the amount of premium. So it is to be transferred to security premium account. So write down narration being 12,000 bonus shares. 12,000 bonus shares are issued at 25% premium. Okay. Now don't forget to take the total. See, wherever you write journal, you need to take the total. चलो इसका टोटल करो 30 plus 37.5 45 lakh. So total of your journal will be 45 lakh rupees. So डेबिट क्रेडिट का टोटल तो सेम होना ही होना है. So your total will be 45. So this is the first sum on page number 157. Okay, thank you.